Method 3 of 3, feeling good about your life. Get rid of whatever bores you. Things in life often get too comfortable for our own good. We get in a job we don't like but that pays the bills, a relationship that has fizzled out, or in a place where we'd just rather not be. If there's something large going on in your life that's bringing you down, call it a day. It'll be hard now, but it'll be so much better later. In moments like these, you've got to weigh up the pros and conservative. Can you afford to move or quit your job? Is your relationship just in a funk and it's not permanent? Make sure you've thought of every side of the equation before you go about making a big change. Can't make a breakaway? Then think up a few ways to make these things more exciting. Ask for a project at work, travel more often, or do new and crazy things with your partner. Everything has the ability to change. Clean up the mess. A tidy house is a tidy mind, where you can finally make room for the fun stuff. By doing this, you're showing yourself that you're making a change and bringing out a new improved self. Having a clean home will also make you feel good about yourself, help you to be more organized, allow you to have friends over more often without feeling ashamed, and save you time when looking for things. Getting rid of all that mess will make rooms seem brighter and bigger, therefore making you feel more energized and happy when you get up in the morning or get home from work. Everyone should enjoy being at home, and this will make it easier to do so. You can even try something like redecorating your home. Adding some new paint or rearranging your furniture can help an old space feel newer and more exciting. Stop focusing on the negatives. Next time you get invited out somewhere, or you have an assignment due in, don't let your brain fill up with bad things about it. If you can focus on the positives, you'll find yourself enjoying even the smallest things. It's far too easy to drown in negativity, but you'll never be happy with your life if you just point out the bad in everything. If a negative thought comes into your head, try to replace it with a neutral thought. These will be easier to believe at first. Eventually, positive thinking will come naturally. For example, if you think, "This is so difficult," then just think, "But I won't have to worry about it once it's done." Only care what you think. The idea that your life isn't interesting is nonsense. Everyone's life is interesting somehow, because only you are you and no one else can ever have that title. Try to focus on what's interesting to you and not to others. If you don't, you'll still feel boring and like you don't measure up. This is why your definition of interesting is the only important one. If you think working 4 jobs and never sleeping is interesting, go for it. If your definition means traveling the world, go for it. If being interesting means having loads of different skills, go for it. Everybody has a different concept and you can only adhere to one. Change your eating. When it comes to your taste buds, keep 2 things in mind: eat a good balanced diet. A balanced diet is good for your health, but is also good for your mood. A bad diet will cause energy slumps, which will make you feel groggy and ill. In addition to that, by knowing that you're looking after your body, you'll feel better about yourself, which will give you more confidence and keep you feeling happy. Mix it up. Find a few new recipes you want to try. Go out for Ethiopian next Friday. Try tastes you've never had before. Eating exciting meals means you could be interesting 3 times a day. Not too shabby. Take time to relax. Whether it's a pampering session once a week, a hot bath or deep breathing sessions, you need something to help you to wind down. Everyone needs time to relax after a hectic week, to escape from work or chores for a couple of hours. Even if it's 15 minutes with a book, it counts. Some people are sticklers for things like yoga and meditation. Others would rather zone out with a video game. There's no right or wrong way to relax as long as it's effective for you. Afterward, you should feel like you've completely recovery mode and are ready to get back in the game. Spend time around happy people. Avoid people who moan and complain about things all the time, and look for people with a good sense of humor who have a positive outlook on life. You'll find that their positivity is contagious. These people are likely to be the ones seeking out exciting, new things to do, too. Another good idea? Spend some time with your family. As we get older, we often realize that when we were young and thought they were lame, we really just missed out on valuable time with them that we'll never get back. They're probably doing interesting things too and would love to take you on for a ride. Please like, comment, share, subscribe our channel, and know details, click our social media link.